Welcome back to VU Gate. Today we are doing the CS304 Object-Oriented Programming Midterm MCQs, covering the 30 most important questions. Let's start with the first question. Question number 1. The process of binding data and functions together into a single unit is called blank. The correct answer is encapsulation. Moving on to the next question. Which access specifier makes class members accessible only within the class and to friend functions or classes? The correct answer is private. Now for the third question. A constructor has the same name as that of the blank. The correct answer is class. Heading to question number 4. Which of the following is the correct return type of a destructor? The correct answer is no return type. Next up is question number 5. Static data members of a class must be initialized blank. The correct answer is outside class definition. Let's check out the sixth question. The this pointer is passed implicitly to all blank member functions. The correct answer is non-static. Moving forward to question number 7. Which of the following operators cannot be overloaded in C++? The correct answer is the scope resolution operator. Now for question number 8. Which function can access private and protected members of a class despite not being a member itself? The correct answer is friend function. Let's move to the 9th question. In C++, the default access specifier for class members is blank. The correct answer is private. Here is question number 10. Overloading a function means writing two or more functions with the same name but different blank. The correct answer is parameter lists. Moving on to question 11. Which of the following features cannot be inherited from a base class? The correct answer is constructor. Now for question 12. When a protected member of a base class is inherited publicly, it becomes blank in the derived class. The correct answer is protected. Let's look at the 13th question. How many destructors can a single class have in C++? The correct answer is only one. Heading over to question 14. Which pointer holds the memory address of the current object invoking a member function? The correct answer is this pointer. Next is question 15. Allocating memory dynamically in C++ uses the blank operator. The correct answer is new. Let's move to question 16. To deallocate memory allocated with new and square brackets, we must use blank. The correct answer is delete with square brackets. Now for question 17. A class from which other classes inherit features is known as a blank class. The correct answer is base class. Moving to the 18th question. The mechanism of deriving a new class from an already defined class is called blank. The correct answer is inheritance. Here is question 19. Which of the following is the correct syntax to define a constant member function? The correct answer is void display, empty parentheses, const. Next up is question 20. Friend relationship between two classes is blank. The correct answer is not mutual by default. Let's look at question 21. Static member functions can only access blank. The correct answer is static data members. Moving to question 22. Which concept provides the feature of one interface multiple forms? The correct answer is polymorphism. Now for question 23. A constructor that takes no arguments or has default values for all arguments is called a blank constructor. The correct answer is default. Heading to question 24. Member functions defined inside the class body or definition are by default blank. The correct answer is inline. Next is question 25. If we do not define a copy constructor, the compiler automatically generates a blank copy constructor. The correct answer is shallow. Let's check out question 26. Which concept provides code reusability in object-oriented programming? The correct answer is inheritance. Moving forward to question 27. What is the size of an object of an empty class in C++? The correct answer is 1 byte. Now for question 28. Abstract classes are designed to be used specifically as a blank. The correct answer is base class. Let's look at question 29. Can a friend function be declared in any section, public, private, or protected of a class? The correct answer is yes. Finally, question 30. Which lifetime does a static variable inside a class have? The correct answer is program lifetime. That is all for this quiz. Thanks for watching VU Gate. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.